In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote CPA offers for free. This method works worldwide and you can do it for free, and if you watch the video until the end, I can show you an alternative way that you can boost your earning and you can earn $100 per day or more from online. First, what you have to do, go to Max Bounty or CPA Lead, or you can go to Offer Vote and find an CPA network that promoting an CPA offers and find one. So in this case, I'm going with Max Bounty. This is one of my affiliate CPA network. Here I'm gonna find an offer that I want to promote. For example, this is the offer. It's about service site live points. If I promote this service site, is for USA only. They have a site worldwide, but this offers only for USA only, and they allow display ad, search ad, social ad, and native ad. And if I promote these offers and if the people sign up for that, I'm gonna make $3.75 per lead. So when they open that website, they register for free account. After that, I'm gonna make $3.75 for that. So this is an offer that I want to promote. Now, so this is the method. You have to watch it carefully. First, what you have to do, see your landing page here, click preview and it will take to this page and see that landing page is working or not. If not, find a different offers, because landing page is the one important. People see it and they register for it and you can make money. If the landing page is not working, then it is impossible to promote that offers. After you find an offers and understand how much commission you're gonna make and which countries are approved and what type of traffic is allowed, then you're gonna go to this website. First, what you have to go to Pinterest. Now wait, you are not going to use Pinterest as organic traffic. There's an alternative way that you can use a Pinterest to get maximum amount of money, which I'm using every single day. So I'm gonna walk you through entire step. So watch the video until the end for the detailed tutorials. Now on Pinterest, search the topic that you want to promote. If it's weight loss, go to Pinterest and search for weight loss. But it's about make money online because I'm promoting a service site. So I type make money online and find out the pins that are number ones. These are the pins on the top of the search result, which means they are getting maximum amount of clicks every single day. So you get some idea about those pins because you're going to create one pin similar to that. Now what you have to do, go to Canva and create a simple pin. So I put how I make $100 per day from home, and this is a screenshot from my PayPal balance. I put some animation here and I download that pin. Now what I had to do, I had to upload this pin into this Pinterest. Here I already uploaded here, so go back here. This is the pin I already upload. Click this edit button, show you the detail. Says the board is make money online. Title, how I make $100 per day from home, an easy way to make money online. Same thing, I put it on the pin, I put it as a title, and again I put it the same thing on the description. Now the hashtags, what you have to do, go to this website, is called Tag Tools, because this tool is gonna make you a specific hashtag for Pinterest and a specific country. Because one thing you need to understand, where your CPA offers are allowed, because for this offers they only allow United States traffic. So in order to target people from United States, you need to find the hashtags that people are searching on Pinterest.com on USA, right? So what you have to do, put the tag here or the hashtag here, then you select the country and it will automatically generate a certain hashtag that people searching related to your niche on Pinterest. Then copy that and put it on here. Now this is the problem. The website is the part where you're gonna put your affiliate link. In this case, CPA offers link. This is the link. So you need to select social and you're going to select the rolling. But if you copy this link and put it on Pinterest on here, this Pinterest allow the pin to work, but when the people click this pin, the Pinterest will say this is invalid or not appropriate or not safe. So we don't want that. So you're going to create a simple landing page. So all you have to do is go to Google site here. You can see, open the Google site, and you can put a title like how I make $100 per day from home, and you can upload the picture, the same thing that you uploaded on Pinterest, because when the people click the Pinterest pin, this is the pin they click, and it will take to this landing page, so they know, so they visit the same site. Then what you have to do, click this image, and you can insert the affiliate link that you can see, edit button here, and you insert the affiliate link that you copy that from Max Bounty. Again, on the bottom that you can see, there's a section called button that you can put a register free account and earn free PayPal money. Again, click that and click edit button that you put your affiliate link there. After that, what you do, publish, and when you've published that, your unique link is generated. This is the link. Copy that link, go to Pinterest and put it on here that you can see I already put it there. After that, what you do, click save, and your pin is saved. Now you can see here I upload this pin a morning, and that you can see I already have a 5 impression and 2 outbound click. In order to check that here, if I go to click and report, that you can see I already have a 2 click. The income, the earning is not generated here. There is a 2 reason. Those 2 people not register for free account, or they register for it after they validate their account. My earning will be appear on here. So for that, I can refresh the page and I can show you that I already get 2 organic click from that you can see here. Now what you have to do, if you see here, if you click the pin, and it will take to my landing page, that you can see this is my landing page. Now if they click this button, and it will automatically direct that viewers into my affiliate offers here. Now the problem part is getting traffic to your pin. Here you can get organic traffic throughout the years, okay, because this pin gonna be active until you take it down, so people can click and sign up for it. But in order to get more money every single day, the way I'm doing it, I'm gonna run a advertisement on Pinterest. Now it is expensive, but again I can show you how I done it for cheaper rate, guys. So what you have to do here, that you can see, this is my analytics section for my ad on Pinterest. That you can see this pin, I promoted this for Amazon affiliate offers. I spent it around £14.50. I already get 161 clicks, so each click gonna cost me 0.09 cent, right? So if we use this as an example, if we spend $5 every single day, then we're gonna get 55 click, because 5 times 0.09, we're gonna get 55 click. And if we consider the 20% of that 55 click sign up for our offers for this offer, that we're gonna get around 11 sign up. So this offer gonna pay you $9.75 for me, but for you is different offers and different rate. So 11 times $3.75, I'm gonna make around $41.25. If you minus the $5, and I already have made $36.25, this is a free money, guys. Now you can use that money, reinvest back on Pinterest ad, and you can make lots of money. So if we spend $5 every single day for 1 month, then if you're able to make $41, that means 11 sign up per day, so you can make around $1,237.50 per month. If you minus that 150, which is your ad budget for that month, that you can make $1,087.50 profit. Now guys, if we don't have any money to run a Pinterest ad budget, you can go to do a surveys, that you can see I do creamy surveys here. You can do surveys, and you can run advertisement for $1 per day, which I'm going to show you right now. So if you go to your business section of the Pinterest, that you can create a free business account. Again guys, if you want me to make a detailed videos on Pinterest, let me know in the comment section. I will show you how to create account, how to create business account, and how to run advertisement properly. So for this video, I'm going to keep it simple. So in your business section, you're going to click add, and you're going to create an ad. Then it will take you to this page that you can see here. You're going to select this one, you're going to get a traffic, and you're going to get click for your pin. Select that, and you're going to put that campaign name. So I'm going to say life points, which is my advert pin, the offer that I'm promoting, that you can see active, and you can see daily, and daily budget I'm going to put £1 or $1, whatever, run continuously. You can select a specific date and you're going to click continue. Now you can create audience, or if you don't have an audience, that you can go here and select interest, that you can see make money on say if we have a make money. So we don't have the make money online, so what we can say is select is money. So if you type money, that you can see finance loan, so you can click this audience here. At the moment they don't have anything for make money online interest, so you can go with only finance here. So you can see I selected finance, and if you come down to the bottom, that you can put a keyword. So you have to put the specific keyword here. So I'm gonna select the make money online business, something like that, right? You can put survey, work from home, something like that. After that, what you do, come to the bottom, select all gender, all ages, and the location. You're gonna pick specific location. On the country, pick a specific location. You're gonna select a US, because this offer only for US. After that, what you do, select all language, all device, and after that what you do, you're gonna select the pin here. This is the pin. After you select that, you're gonna click publish, and your ad will be reviewed and analyzed. If it approved, and you can click every single day, then each click will be converted into registration. That if there's registration completed successfully, and you're gonna make commission like this one, guys. You can apply for these different offers. Again, guys, if you want me to make a detailed video on Pinterest, leave me that in the comment section. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.